Yard maintenance is considerably simplified if you have a propane torch. However, it's very cumbersome to store this thing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I built a holder so I can store it up off the ground and out of the way. A quick trip down to the metal surplus store and I got extremely lucky. I found 2 pieces of 11 gauge steel that were almost exactly the right size. For my first weld, I welded it into a T configuration. You can see the magnets holding the steel into place on the back side. Initially, I just tacked it into place until I could check it for square. Okay, looks like I did a good job. Let's move on. I then went back and increased my tack size to make it more robust while I'm working with my steel. I'll finish the full seam weld later when I have all the supports in place. Here, I'm giving you an example of what it looks like when you forget to turn the compressed air on to your plasma cutter. It works a lot better when you put air to it. I removed the excess steel on the back side of my holder. For you sharp-eyed people that notice the gas cans in the background where I'm welding, you're absolutely right, that's a real bad idea. But don't worry, they're empty. Here, you can see the molten metal solidified on the steel below it. That's called slag and is very easy to chip off. Anything you can't chip can easily be removed with a grinder. I now cut out the 2 support pieces. Then tack those into place. Now it's time to cut 3 long metal strips. The first 2 will act as guides to center the propane tank in the middle of the holder. The 3rd metal strip will go in the front to keep the bottom of the propane tank from sliding out. Now that I know there's no chance of this thing warping on me, I go back and reinforce all my welds. I don't want any sharp points on this holder, so I cut all the corners off at a 45-degree angle. That's it, all the welding is complete. A quick shot with the pressure washer will remove all the oil preservatives. Then you can paint it. To hang it up, I drilled 4 holes and used 4 very long lag bolts. After all, it's going to have to hold the weight of 5 gallons of propane. Finally, since we live in earthquake country, a Velcro strap to go around the propane to hold it into place. Well, thanks for watching.